Hi, I'm Dr. Nasha. I'm the Medical Director for the NM London Clinic based in Crouch End. And today I'm going to do an unboxing of dermal filler. So this is a box of Juvederm Lift. Okay, just note here it says supplied to UK and Ireland. This is quite important because this has been bought from a reputable provider of dermal fillers, and they've maintained the cold chain and the licensing is all correct for this to be sold in the UK. So you can see here you have the information about expiry dates and the lot number for this particular product. This is really important. Any practitioner who's injecting this into you should be making a note of this information with your file, so that if there's any problems later on, or if there's a recall of this product by the company, the clinic can go back and they can work out exactly which patients would have had this product injected, so that we know which patients to then check on or follow up if there's a problem. So it's a really important thing that all responsible practitioners will do. Okay, so here's the box. So you open it up and you can see inside there's a leaflet which they may give to you to read or to keep, or may not, and that just gives you all the information about what's in here. And then it's got the filler. So there's two, okay? All boxes will have two, but you may just have 1 ml treatment done. And so this is that box again. And again, you can see it's got all the key information here. It's got the expiry dates, the lot number, everything again is here on this packaging. Okay. And so then if we open it up, inside, again, more of the same information, which is again quite useful. Sometimes we might use that to label the syringe even. And then you have here the whole device, which has got 1 ml of filler in it, and it comes supplied with 2 needles that we can use to inject the filler. So we may use this needle. Sometimes we might use a cannula device, which is a slightly different device that you might have seen used and that I use a lot in my clinic. That's not supplied with the box, but the 2 standard needles are supplied. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in having a filler treatment or you just want to have a chat, please book an appointment and we can talk it through. Bye.